Today we are going to learn about understanding probability distributions, a practical approach. We'll explore how to identify and apply probability distributions such as normal, binomial, and Poisson, enhancing your ability to predict outcomes and assess risks in professional environments.
Welcome to our educational journey on understanding probability distributions. Probability distributions are mathematical functions that provide the probabilities of occurrence of different possible outcomes. They are a foundational concept in statistics, essential for analyzing and interpreting data. Whether you're predicting market trends, assessing engineering risks, or conducting scientific research, probability distributions enable you to make informed decisions. Today, we'll delve into the most common distributions, normal, binomial, and Poisson, and learn how they apply to real-world scenarios. The normal distribution, often referred to as the bell curve, is a pivotal concept in statistics. It's characterized by its symmetrical shape, where the mean, median, and mode are identical. This curve is defined by two parameters, the mean, which dictates the center of the distribution, and the standard deviation, which determines the spread. A crucial feature of the normal distribution is the empirical rule, or the 68-95-99.7 rule, indicating that approximately 68% of data falls within one standard deviation of the mean, 95% within two, and 99.7% within three. This distribution is widely used in fields such as psychology, finance, and natural sciences, as it appears frequently in nature and human behavior.
The normal distribution underpins many statistical tests and processes. In finance, it's used to model stock returns, helping investors predict market trends and assess risks. In quality control, manufacturers rely on it to determine if products meet specifications, ensuring consumer safety. Furthermore, the normal distribution models a plethora of natural phenomena from heights of individuals to measurement errors in scientific experiments. Its mathematical properties make it a cornerstone in inferential statistics, enabling researchers to draw conclusions about populations from sample data. Understanding its applications empowers professionals to make data-driven decisions, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. The binomial distribution is a discrete probability distribution applicable to scenarios with a fixed number of trials, each having two possible outcomes, success or failure. It's defined by two parameters, the number of trials, n, and the probability of success, p, in each trial. This distribution is crucial in situations like quality testing, where you might be testing a batch of items for defects, or in clinical trials, assessing treatment efficacy. Each trial is independent, and the probability of success remains constant. Understanding the binomial distribution allows professionals to evaluate probabilities of various outcomes, facilitating decision-making in uncertain environments. Binomial distribution finds applications across numerous industries. In manufacturing, it's used to predict the number of defective items in a production batch, helping maintain quality standards. In medicine, it enables researchers to predict the number of patients responding to a new treatment, guiding clinical trial designs. Marketing professionals apply it to assess the effectiveness of campaigns, predicting the probability of customer engagement. In finance, it helps evaluate the likelihood of default on loans. By mastering binomial distribution, you can effectively predict outcomes in binary scenarios, improving strategy development and execution in various business contexts. The Poisson distribution is a discrete probability distribution that expresses the probability of a given number of events occurring in a fixed interval of time or space. It's particularly useful for modeling rare events, assuming these events occur independently at a constant average rate. Defined by the parameter lambda, which represents the average number of occurrences in the interval, the Poisson distribution is applied in fields like telecommunications, to model the number of incoming calls at a call center, or in epidemiology, to predict the number of disease outbreaks. Understanding this distribution aids in resource allocation and risk assessment, enhancing operational efficiency. Probability distributions are integral to various real-world applications. Meteorologists use them for weather forecasting, predicting probabilities of rain or storms. In insurance, actuaries apply distributions to assess risks and set premiums, ensuring companies remain profitable while covering potential losses. Sports analysts utilize distributions to evaluate player performance, aiding in team strategy development. Traffic engineers apply them to manage traffic flow, predicting congestion patterns and optimizing signal timings. In scientific research, distributions help in analyzing experimental data, supporting hypothesis testing. These examples highlight the versatility of probability distributions in solving practical problems across diverse fields.
Selecting the appropriate probability distribution for your data is crucial for accurate analysis. Start by examining your data characteristics. Consider whether your data is continuous, like temperature readings, or discrete, such as the number of calls received. Assess the assumptions of potential distributions. For example, the normal distribution assumes data symmetry. Determine if your data behavior aligns with the chosen distribution's properties. Making the correct choice enhances the reliability of your statistical analysis, leading to more precise predictions and informed decision-making. This skill is fundamental for professionals in data-driven fields, optimizing outcomes and minimizing risks.
In conclusion, understanding probability distributions is essential for any professional engaged in data analysis. We've explored key distributions: normal, binomial, and Poisson on their applications across different fields. These distributions aid in solving real-world problems, from market predictions to quality control. Choosing the correct distribution for your data is pivotal, ensuring accuracy and reliability in your analyses. By mastering these concepts, you enhance your decision-making skills, equipping yourself to tackle challenges in today's data-driven world. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey, and we hope you apply these insights to your professional endeavors.